Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. This is our main event, and it's scheduled for one fall. In the ring, EBW's clown, Morbius. And his opponent, Jimmy Frann, the Chicken Man.
That's my cousin. That's my good old cousin.
Hey, how you doing? Whoa, what's the noodle? I got the chicken on Jimmy Frann, your chicken man. How y'all doing, man?
How you doing?
I'm back. Jimmy Frann is over. Hey, how you doing, man? It's nice to see you, Morbius. Got you. Oh, what's the fake noodle now? What's the purple noodle? Have you been squeezing it too hard? Oh, wow. Check it out. It's a green ball. He got the greeny ball. That's the rudder.
Oh, there goes the ball.
Hey, what are you doing with Chicky? Don't do that to my
chicken.
Hey.
Jimmy Frann.
He stole PT.
Y'all's dinner is not going to be good tonight.
That's very wrong.
Oh, what is he doing?
You're going to suffocate Chicky inside your noodle. He's in the head of your noodle. You can't do that to Chicky. Get him out of your head. Hey.
He's making chicken purple noodle soup.
Don't put the heads together. Hey. Leave my Chicky alone.
Oh, poor Pete.
Wait.
Playing mini golf.
Maybe be gone with the wind. You ever heard of chicken noodle soup? Hey, whoa. Man, come on. Here you go, man. Chicky. Put Chicky over here. There you go, Chicky. Hey.
It's my cousin versus Meatloaf or somebody.
You can't put. Hey. You can't wrestle with a noodle. Hey. Put the noodle down.
This is making me funny.
I said put the noodle down.
Come on. He doesn't know what to do.
Dear friend, Chicken Man.
I think that chicken's been jerked
I'm not
a little
making
bit too
chicken
many
noodle
times.
soup tonight. Come on. Let's get her on.
I want to play hula hoop.
Let's get her, dude.
I want to do a hula hoop.
Oh, right in my face.
Watch the noodle.
There we go.
Are you ready, man?
There you go. If I get down the bench there.
You think you can dance?
Come on, man.
I have a scarecrow that looks like him. I want to be scared as birds.
Do you think some chicken?
Oh, Morbius with the sneak attack. Is he going to go for a suplex? No. Oh, Frann counted. That's my cousin Jimmy. Nice forearm to the head.
See, that's how you want to play with the chicken, man? I not like that, man. Now you're going to get down.
That's how Jimmy treats the chickens at the farm.
Oh, right in the turnbuckle.
Nice elbow to the chin.
Come on,
face
man.
plant. Forearm to the back. Kick. Another kick. My cousin Jimmy, a soccer star. Nice elbow.
Going for the cover.
1, 2. Morbius kicks out at 2. What comes after 2? I believe that is a number 2.
No!
Nice bear hug by Morbius. Oh, he's just giving Jimmy a hug. Fun time. Nice spine buster. Never mind. I think he's serious.
Holy mother of Joseph!
Whoa, what a chop that was.
Big belly.
No.
What is this?
What's it?
Awkward pin.
Yeah. Sorry, Pack 14.
Whoa! Oh, mother of Jesus!
Nice takedown.
Oh, right in the nugget.
Watch the bread biscuit.
Right in the nugget.
Ain't no biscuits with the chicken tonight.
Oh, God. Whoa.
You gonna go for a suplex this time?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, it's a fist.
1, 2.
Kicked out at 2. I think it's a little cold for Morbius. Sorry to laugh, folks. This is turtle water in his eyes. End of the rest. I got an idea. Let's go swimming. That's why we brought the noodle out. I think so too. I want a pool. I want to jump in a pool. Morbius is down. Jimmy with the sit down pin. 1, 2. Morbius kicks out at 2.
Oh, man.
Wiping his face off from the chicken juice. Oh, nice leg drop. Double chicken drop. Gave him the double leg. No thigh.
Don't put it over.
Nice headlock on the ground by Jimmy Frann. He's reaching for the ropes if he can't find them. He go night-night. Oh, his ear hole. Nice scissor lock. Now where's the paper coming? Where's the paper? Don't think we have paper.
Is Jimmy gonna tap?
No, he grabs his arm. Oh my goodness. I think he went to wing. Another chop to the chest. Oh, there he goes.
He got his ball.
Pretty collar. Oh, who knows where that ball's been? All in Jimmy's mouth. Oh, he broke his ball.
Jimmy.
I think that's not a weapon. This is funny.
Shaking his butt right in front of the camera.
Morbius setting up for something. Could it be the Bulldog?
Oh!
Nice kick to the face by Jimmy Frann.
Oh yeah!
KSU attack.
Kick out.
Jimmy Frann's getting fired up. Time to grill him some chicken.
Cousin Jimmy's getting pumpy.
Heating up the grease.
Come on! Come on, man!
Deep fried chicken tonight. Nice kick to the leg. Good pickup.
Get ready at a face buster!
This could be it.
Oh!
He pins. That's it.
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Here's your winner, Jimmy Frann, the Chicken Man.
Oh yeah! Rodeo face buster gets them every time. Yeehaw! That's what I'm talking about. Put some gravy on that, mix your balls with some chicken noodle soup, and you get yourself some green purple stew. That's what I'm talking about.
That sounds like a healthy lunch to me.
Where's the chickie? Oh yeah, Jimmy Frann is back. Jimmy Frann is back, man. You know it, man. I'm the chicken man. Oh yeah.
Well, that's about it, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh yeah.
Thank you for watching a special edition of EBW.
I'm Jimmy Frann, your chicken man. Y'all come back now, you hear? He's one crazy clown, because he's EBW's clown Morbius. There he is, that crazy clown of Morbius. And I'm the chicken man, Jimmy Frann. Thank y'all. Thank y'all.